Hey guys, and welcome to the Grow Hub. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about a classic of the hydro industry, SUPERthrive. This is the original vitamin and hormone supplement from the US. It is incredibly concentrated. You can use it in any media, and it is probably one of the most tried and proven products in the market today. Has been for about 40 years. It has a proven track record of improving plant health and vigor. You can use it from day one, from seed to harvest. You can use it with any schedule. It is super concentrated at 0.3 mils per liter, so it goes a hell of a long way. It is particularly good at dealing with any plant stress. So transplant shock, if you're having issues with heat, if you're having issues with cold, it tends to buffer those out. It is genuinely a great product. You should be using it in your schedule. It's available now.